Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce insurance premiums with Geico step by step clearly. Start by gathering your current insurance information. Visit the Geico website or download the Geico mobile app. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Navigate to the auto insurance section. Input your current policy details when prompted. Use the quote tool to compare your current premiums with Geico's offerings. Explore discounts available through Geico. Look for options such as safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, or military discounts. Select the coverage that best fits your needs. Consider adjusting your deductible to lower your premium. Review your coverage limits to ensure they're appropriate for your situation. Check for any bundling options if you have other insurance needs. Fill out any required personal information for a more accurate quote. Once you receive a quote, review it carefully. Compare Geico's quote with your current insurers. If you're satisfied with the Geico quote, proceed to purchase the policy. Finalize your transition by canceling your old policy as needed. Keep a record of your new policy documents. Make sure to set up recurring payments for your new insurance. Regularly review your policy to ensure you're still getting the best rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.